How do you say please in Irish? When you are traveling in Ireland, knowing some basic Irish phrases can really enhance your experience. One phrase that stands out is how to say please in Irish. This simple word can make your interactions with locals much more pleasant. So, how do you say it? The phrase for please in Irish is le dúthil. This translates literally to with your will. You would use this when speaking to one person. If you find yourself in a group, you would say le bur dit hoil, which is the plural form. It is a small change, but it shows respect for the people you are addressing. Let's look at some practical examples of how to use these phrases while you are in Ireland. If you are at a pub and want to order a drink, you could say, Ba emhaith liam pianta Guinness, le dúthil. This means, I would like a pint of Guinness, please. It's a friendly way to place your order and connects you with the local culture. If you need something passed to you at the table, you might say, Cuir chugam and bain, le dúthil. This translates to pass the milk, please. It is a polite request that locals will appreciate. Sometimes you might need someone to repeat something. In that case, you can say, a bear arisi acute, le dúthil, which means say that again, please. This shows you are engaged and want to understand better. Using le dúthil or le bur dit hoil can really help you connect with the Irish people. It shows that you are making an effort to respect their language and culture. Whether you are asking for directions, ordering food, or just being polite, these phrases will go a long way in making your travel experience more enjoyable. So, remember to practice these phrases before your trip. It will not only make your interactions smoother but also leave a positive impression on those you meet. Enjoy your travels in Ireland and have fun using your new phrases.